Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sexual Health USA, where we uncover the secrets to building stronger relationships, deeper connections, and unforgettable moments. You know, for over 40 years, I've been telling people that a happy, healthy sex life is important for a happy, healthy life. And a big part of that is understanding what makes for truly satisfying intimacy. Today we're diving into something very special: the top secrets to creating a mind-blowing experience in the bedroom. If you're ready to learn how to leave a lasting impression, stay tuned, because this is going to be life-changing. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Let me tell you something right off the bat. Mind-blowing intimacy starts long before you set foot in the bedroom. It starts with building a strong emotional connection. You see, women, they thrive on feeling understood and appreciated. It's not just about the grand gestures, but the small, everyday moments that make a difference. So how do you build that? Start by paying attention, not just hearing, but truly listening. Really listen when she talks about her day, her dreams, her fears. These are the windows into her soul. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and passions. Ask questions, be curious, and engage in her world. Believe me, a little vulnerability from you can go a long way toward making her feel safe and connected. Share your own dreams, fears, and feelings. Think about it. When a woman feels truly seen and valued, the bedroom becomes a space for trust and exploration, not just a place for, well, you know. It's a sanctuary where both partners can express their deepest desires. It's about creating a space where she feels comfortable enough to let go and be herself. This comfort is the bedrock of intimacy. And that, my friends, is the foundation for truly incredible intimacy. It's not just about physical closeness, but emotional and mental connection that makes the experience profound and unforgettable. So, take the time to build that emotional foreplay. Laugh together, share your stories, and create memories. These moments are the true essence of intimacy. Remember, intimacy is a journey, not a destination. It's about growing together, understanding each other, and cherishing the bond you share. When you lay this foundation, the physical connection becomes a natural extension of the emotional bond you've built. And that, my friends, is where the magic truly happens. Here's a secret that works every time. Confidence is incredibly attractive, but it has to come from a place of authenticity. Walk into the room knowing your worth, but also being humble and willing to prioritize her experience. Don't be afraid to take charge, but also be attentive to her cues. A woman can spot arrogance from a mile away, and it's an instant turnoff. Confidence isn't about bragging or being flashy. It's about being present, owning your energy, and focusing on making the moment unforgettable for both of you. Remember, true confidence comes from within. It's about loving and accepting yourself, and letting that radiate outwards. Every woman is different. What works for one might not work for another. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming they already know what someone wants. Here's the golden rule. Ask. Whether it's subtle questions or direct conversations, communication is your ticket to understanding her preferences. Don't be shy about asking what she enjoys, what makes her feel good, and listen to her responses. Pay attention to her body language too. Trust me, asking not only shows respect but also builds anticipation and comfort, two crucial ingredients for creating something truly extraordinary. Chapter 4. Sensory Appeal, Set the Scene. Let's talk about setting the mood. Creating the perfect ambiance is an art form that can transform any space into a romantic haven. Women are highly attuned to their surroundings. They notice the little things, the details that make a space feel special and inviting. The right ambiance can make a world of difference. It can turn an ordinary evening into an unforgettable experience. Keep your space clean and inviting, dim the lights, play soft music, and create an atmosphere that speaks to intimacy and comfort. Maybe add some candles or essential oils. The soft glow of candles and the soothing scent of essential oils can elevate the mood. These details show that you care and set the tone for something memorable. It's about creating a space where both of you can relax and connect. Think about it. Would you rather have a romantic dinner in a messy kitchen with the lights on full blast, or in a cozy atmosphere with candles and soft music? It's common sense. The choice is clear. A well-set scene can make all the difference in how the evening unfolds. And don't forget about your own grooming. Presenting yourself well is just as important as setting the scene. Personal hygiene is a must. Freshen up, use a pleasant cologne, and make sure you're looking your best. Cleanliness shows respect and effort. It demonstrates that you've put thought into making the evening special. And trust me, it's a game changer. A clean, well-organized space can set the stage for a night to remember. Chapter 5. Master the art of touch, quality over quantity. Here's where most people miss the mark. Physical intimacy isn't about rushing to the finish line. It's about being in the moment. Pay attention to her reactions, use soft and deliberate touches, and explore her responses to find out what she truly enjoys. It's about the journey, not the destination. Slow down, be patient, and let the experience unfold naturally. The more in tune you are with her needs, the more unforgettable the moment becomes. Remember, intimacy is about connecting on a deeper level, and that takes time and attention. Chapter 6. Give as much as you take. One of the most important secrets to a mind-blowing experience is this: focus on her. Reciprocity is key. When you make her feel prioritized, it deepens the connection and creates an atmosphere of mutual satisfaction. Remember, intimacy is a partnership, not a performance. It's about giving and receiving and making sure both partners feel valued and desired. When you focus on her pleasure, it shows that you care about her experience, and that's incredibly attractive. And there you have it. Secrets that go beyond just technique and dive into connection, presence, and effort. Whether you're in a new relationship or looking to rekindle the spark, these tips will make a world of difference. But remember, every woman is unique, and the real magic lies in learning and growing together. Intimacy is not just about physical closeness, but also about emotional and mental connection. It's about understanding each other's needs and desires and being present in the moment. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who might need these tips, and let me know in the comments what works for you or what topics you'd like me to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little bit of effort goes a long way. Keep exploring, keep connecting, and keep growing together. I'll see you in the next one.